way. Take a left. Take a left right here. Again, I'm gonna take that jacket, put it over your shoulders, and take your cuffs off, okay? That way, we're gonna go this way. Take a left. Take a left right here. Again, I'm gonna take that jacket, put it over your shoulders, and take your cuffs off, okay?
Waitress.
You're on your feet.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're pretty physical.
Yeah.
Okay, so real quick, I'm gonna have you stand like me, toes touching, feet together, arms by your side. I'm gonna have you take that hair, brush it.
Welcome back to Emergency Behavior. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more real police encounters. Tonight, a driver admits drinking after being pulled over for repeatedly drifting out of her lane.
I don't know who that is.
Okay. You said you're on the phone with your friend?
I was on the phone with my friend, but I don't know who that is.
What's your friend's name? Will you turn the vehicle off? And then I'll take the keys. How can I help you?
I can take your home.
No, go car.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Go ahead and step out for me. Right back here. For me, please.
Canopy.
You got some nice boots. What are those?
I just came for Dirty Bourbon, so.
Got you. Are they Ariats?
Areas?
Do you know your boot brands?
No, I don't know my boot brands.
Got you. Okay, well, they look nice. That's I'm just saying.
Thank you.
Okay.
I appreciate that. Yes.
You are all over the road.
No, because they were telling me, like, go here and then go there. They were
Who's that?
my friends.
Your friends?
Mm-hmm.
As I was behind you, you're weaving in and out of your lane of traffic. You are weaving within your lane of traffic.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I was behind you on Montgomery, and then we came over here. Same situation.
Yeah.
Okay? So, Miss, I'm gonna have you stand in front of my car, right where my light is pointed, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead and stand right there for me. I'm gonna take your purse.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it right here up on my hood. Face me. Your balance is all over the place, okay? Just as I said that, you almost fell into me.
No.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, your eyes are bloodshot, they're red. I have a heavy...
Officers begin field sobriety testing, but the driver struggles to follow even basic instructions. The longer the tests continue, the more concerns begin to emerge.
I did not drink tonight.
Okay. Do you normally talk like this?
Yeah.
With a slurred speech?
Yeah, I have ADHD.
Okay. Do you normally have balance issues?
Yeah.
Why? I'm asking you. Because you stepped out of the car, you're kind of all over the place. Your balance seems a little weary tonight.
I just need to pee really bad.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Well, unfortunately, we don't have a bathroom right now, right?
It's okay. That's fine.
Miss Leslie, I need to check you, okay? You reek of alcohol, your balance is all over the place.
I reek of alcohol.
Yes, ma'am. Your balance is all over the place. Your driving's got me a little concerned. You say you haven't drank anything? Can't really take your word.
Okay.
What'd you drink?
What did you say? What did you say? I'm sorry.
I said I can't take your word.
Okay.
Because I can smell alcohol coming from your breath.
You can smell alcohol?
Yes, ma'am. How much did you drink tonight?
I didn't drink.
Nothing at all?
No.
Okay. Well, I'm going to check you real quick, okay?
Okay.
Do you have contacts in your eyes?
Yeah, I do.
Do they change the color of your eye?
No.
They're just for vision?
Yeah, for vision.
Okay. Any recent head trauma?
No.
What do you do for work?
I work at Ojos Locos. I'm a server.
So you're
I'm a waitress.
You're on your feet.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're pretty physical.
Yeah.
Okay. So real quick, I'm gonna have you stand like me, toes touching, feet together, arms by your side. I'm gonna have you take that hair, brush it behind your ears the best you can, okay? I'm gonna be checking your eyes tonight. I just want you to stare at the tip of my finger, moving your eyes and your eyes only, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna be going back and forth a few times. Don't move your head. Just look at the tip of my finger, moving your eyes and your eyes only.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
I'm just so cold. I'm sorry.
Do you have a jacket?
Go ahead. Yeah. I have a jacket in the car, but it's okay.
Okay. I want you to follow the tip of my finger, moving your eyes and your eyes only. Do you understand? Don't move your head, please.
Oh, sorry.
Just your eyes.
Just my eye.
Don't move your head, please.
Sorry.
Follow my finger. Right where my fingerprint is. You see my finger?
Yeah.
Okay, follow it with your eyes. Any reason you're looking down?
Am I looking down?
Your head's tilted down. I see you looking down at the ground, okay? I'm not the best artist in the entire world, but there's a black dot on my finger. Can you see that black dot?
Yeah.
That's where I want you to stare, okay? See that black dot? One more test. This one's gonna go up. Can I grab that jacket for you?
Yeah.
Where's it at?
It's in my car.
Is it black?
It's blue.
Is it this one?
That works.
That'll work?
Yeah.
Right back here. Tonight, I'm gonna have you imagine a 4-inch wide line. That 4-inch wide line is gonna go from your right foot completely straight down this parking lot.
Yes.
Can you picture that 4-inch wide line?
Yes.
Just a straight 4-inch wide line.
Okay.
Listen to me. I'm gonna put you in a starting position. When I have you in that test, don't move or start the test until I tell you to do so.
Okay.
Tonight, you're gonna take your left foot, place it on that line, just like me.
Okay.
But you're gonna face this way. Your line's gonna go this way.
Okay.
Okay? So face me. Your 4-inch wide line is gonna go this way.
Okay.
Okay? Take your left foot, place it on that 4-inch wide line.
Left foot. Okay.
Now with your right, place it in front of your left. Heel to toe touching, arms by your side.
Holy shit, that was confusing.
There's a lot of instruction.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No. Whoa. Okay. 7 steps that way.
9.
Okay. One,
Miss Leslie, before you start, do you have any questions?
No.
So 9 heel to toe steps. You'll plant your lead foot with the foot behind it. A series of small steps, keeping the lead foot planted. 9 steps back. Any questions?
No.
You understand the test?
Yeah.
Go ahead and begin. Offline. Offline. Number of steps. And your steps back. Offline. Half inch. Perfect, ma'am. Face me. This next test, you're going to choose a leg of your choice, okay? It could be your left or it could be your right. Whichever leg you choose, you're going to raise that foot off the ground, about 6 inches off the ground.
Okay.
I want your foot parallel with the ground, okay? Your leg will be straight. Your arms will be by your side. You're going to look down at the tip of your toe and you'll count in 1,000s until I tell you to stop.
To 1,000?
You'll count in 1,000s until I tell you to stop. It'll be about 30 seconds.
Okay. Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No.
You understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
I understand.
Go ahead and begin.
Okay. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006.
Keep going.
Okay. 1,010, 1,011, 1,012, 1,013, 1,014, 1,015, 1,016.
Go ahead and stop. Miss Leslie, will you sit on this bar? Your balance is a little all over the place. Just sit right here for me. Right here. See where the flat part is? Perfect. What's the highest level of education you've received?
High school diploma.
Okay. So I would like to do some additional techniques with you.
Yeah.
The reason I'm doing that, this isn't the best location for these tests that I just gave you, okay?
Yeah.
Tonight, what I'm gonna ask you to do is you're gonna count backwards.
Yeah.
I want you to start at a specific number. You're gonna stop at a specific number.
Yeah.
Tonight, you're gonna start at 47. You're gonna stop at 32. Counting.
7 and start by 42.
Four-
I usually pee so bad. I'm sorry.
Okay. Can you hold it, or is it that bad?
I can hold it. I can hold it.
Okay. So, I want you to count from 47. Stop at 32.
Okay.
Go ahead and begin.
47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 36, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31.
Okay. Are you done? All right. I'm going to have one more test for you. Tonight, I want you to recite your English alphabet, okay? You're going to start at H, and you're going to recite the alphabet ending at Q.
Okay.
H to Q. Do you understand?
H to Q.
Yes, but I don't want you to sing it, rhyme it, just say it normally.
H to Q.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead and begin.
The ABC?
Yes, but I want you to start at H, and I want you to end at Q.
Okay, okay.
Go ahead and begin.
Okay. Hold up. A, B, C, H. That's hard. Okay, okay.
Just try your best.
A, B, C, D, E, H, G, H, Q, H. You said start at Q?
H to Q.
H to Q. That's easy though.
Okay, go for it.
H to Q. Okay. Hold up. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, Q. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. That's hard, though.
Okay. I get you.
That's hard. That's a H, G, Q.
Okay. So, Miss Leslie, this is what's going on, okay? You said you had to use the restroom, okay? Can you hold it at all?
Yeah, I can hold it.
I mean, I'm going to be with you for a little bit of time. Are you going to be able to hold it? I don't want you to urinate yourself. You're going to be able to hold it?
During the final balance test, her performance quickly falls apart. Moments later, the officer reaches a decision and places her under arrest for DWI.
You can't hold it anymore? Tell me. Okay? Will you promise to do that?
Yeah.
Thank you. Step back for me and face my windshield.
Am I under arrest?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
I'll explain to you. Face my windshield, please.
Yeah.
Do you have anything on you shouldn't?
No.
Take one step back, please. Widen your stance. Are you wearing a bra, ma'am?
Yes, I'm wearing a bra.
Face my windshield.
Okay.
Anything in your mouth?
No.
Open your mouth.
Ah.
Walk around the side of my car. Right over here, please. Have a seat. Do you remember what I told you?
Yeah.
If you have to go pee, tell me, please.
I'm confused why you're taking me to jail.
As I'm speaking with you, it's 1:57 a.m.
Can I take a breathalyzer test, please?
So we'll get to that, okay?
Okay.
So listen to me, I'm about to tell you something important. You are under arrest for driving while under the influence of intoxicating alcohol and or drugs. The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit to a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take our test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test. If you choose to take this additional independent test, you have the right to a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician, a licensed nurse or laboratory technician or technologist who is employed by a hospital or a physician of your own choice to perform an additional chemical test. The cost of this additional test will be paid for by the law enforcement agency, which is the New Mexico Police. Do you agree to take our test?
Yes, I agree to take yours.
Okay. Do you have anything that you want to go with you today?
Do I to take with me?
As reality sets in, the driver learns her vehicle will be towed, her license could be suspended, and the financial consequences may be severe.
You do have a cell phone?
I do.
Okay. Get your feet in.
Can I please take a breathalyzer test?
Yes, ma'am. We're going to get to that. Okay? I can't do it right now because I
can't
don't...
leave my phone here. My car here.
Your car's going to get towed.
My car's going to get towed?
Yes, ma'am. Because you're under arrest. Okay? So sit back for me. I'm going to buckle you in.
Phone is.
I'll get it for you. Watch your foot. Get your foot in the best you can. There we go. Watch your hand. I don't want to squish your hand. There we go.
1041, 211. 544 to 549. What time are they going to? 2 or 215?
Cell phone. Just makeup. Makeup. Shoes. Empty beer bottle. Makeup. I don't see a cell phone. Where would your cell phone be?
I don't know.
Do you remember where you had it last?
Yeah, I had it on me.
It was on you? Like in a pocket or? Because I just searched you and I didn't see it on you.
It has to be on.
Okay. What?
No, we have to find it.
What color is it?
It's a blue phone.
A blue phone. Is it an iPhone?
It's an iPhone.
Okay. I'll double check under your seats. Okay. Watch your hand.
No. It has to be here.
Where would it be? Because I just searched you and I didn't find anything.
Wait.
Okay, let me double check. It's just a purse. Nothing of value. Nothing. Nothing of value. Yes, ma'am. I can't find it. I checked your whole car and I can't find it. I do have your car keys. Everything okay? When's the last time you had your phone? Just now? I checked your whole car, ma'am. Go ahead.
46 is loyalty.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Leave them on. That's just how it goes, ma'am. You said you had your phone in the car. Can you hold it or do you need to go? Because I don't want you to pee in here.
I don't.
If you have to pee, okay. Damn. Yes, ma'am. What's going on? I can't. That's just how it goes. I can't take the handcuffs off.
Okay, no,
Okay.
My phone's right here.
Where's your phone? Did you have it on you?
Yeah,
Where is it at?
in my car.
Okay. I checked your car.
What's gonna happen in my car?
It's gonna get towed. You don't know specifically where your phone was?
I thought it was on me.
Okay. I'll double check, but I didn't see it. There it is. All the way at the bottom. Everything okay? Do you want me to let you out so you can pee? Okay, well, I don't want you to pee in my car. Yes, ma'am. So we have to wait for the tow truck. It's probably going to be another 10, 15 minutes. Yes, ma'am. Are you going to be able to hold it? Well, that's what I'm asking you. If you have to go, step out. Let's go over here.
Do I have to pee in front of you?
No, I'm not going to watch you.
Oh.
Let's go over to your car.
Can you please take the handcuffs off?
Yeah, come to the front of my car, please. I'm going to put your jacket up so I can take the cuffs off. Okay.
Where do I go?
You're going to have to figure it out.
I have to figure it out.
I mean, if you need to go...
Okay, I can go behind the car.
What car? Come here. I mean, you can squat against my door if you have to. Okay? Let me know when you're done.
Montgomery and Jefferson with New Mexico 532, William X-ray boy. It's white Toyota.
You okay? Are you good? Come back to the front of my car. All the way to the front.
Operations.
Stand right here. Same thing. Hands behind your
You
back.
don't have to put me in.
This is just our policy, okay? If I don't do my policy, then I get in trouble. Walk to the other side.
My lights are on.
I'll turn them off. Right over here. You won't until we get to the office. Okay? It's gonna be a minute.
Why do you gotta do this to me?
This is just my job, ma'am. I'm not discriminating against you.
I know it's your job.
Have a seat, please.
I just
Your
wanna
phone is on the floorboard of my car. I'll give it.
Promise. You promise.
Yes.
I want to see it.
It's a blue phone. Okay?
It's not a blue phone.
It is
It's
a blue
pink
phone. No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Have a seat, please, and then I'll show you your phone.
King Nora John 669.
Open your mouth for me one more time. Nothing in your mouth.
Negative 2974, expiration 12/2024.
545, so go.
545.
New dep 0219. One more breath. Okay. Nice and big. Blow until you do not hear noise. Stop. So can you read that?
0.22.
You're almost 3 times the legal limit. Okay?
No, the legal limit is 0.08.
Correct. And you blew a .22. Almost 3 times. Stand up for me.
The officer explains that public safety comes first and refuses the driver's attempts to avoid the charge. Thanks for watching Emergency Behavior. Comment your thoughts below, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more BodyCam footage.